Hello everyone, welcome to FPLTC's another brand new video of captaincy pick for game week 17. In this content, we will talk about 3 players whom we have selected for captaincy. Now let's go deeper into the video. Salah delivers has become the universal thing in this season. He has been the most scoring player with a huge margin till now. Anybody may breach Buckingham Palace, but no team can prevent Salah from contributing on goals. He has been getting better and better. His XG is currently near 12 and XA is above 5, which makes him the most complete player right now. His record-breaking run continues as he scored 14 goals, provided 10 FPL assists and bagged his owner 160 FPL points. He created 33 chances in the box, which is the most by any player in this season. Salah will face Newcastle in the next game week, who conceded a shot on target in every 32 minutes, which is enough to make difference from Salah. Salah is having the form of his life and it is obviously the easiest decision to cap him at the game weeks until he goes for national duty for AFCON. Bernardo Silva has been arguably the best midfielder in the Premier League so far. He had another stellar performance against Wolves despite his teammates not performing their best, and it was the Portuguese playmaker that broke the deadlock by earning a penalty. Bernardo has been scoring and creating for fun, taking his game to another level that will lead the citizens toward the title right to the end of this term. He scored 5, got 1 assist in his last 6 matches. He has 46% of goal involvement, which shows Man City's dependency on him. He also had 12 attempts in his last 6 matches and all 12 of them were inside the box. He has an XG of 2.28 for those matches. Manchester City will face Leeds United next, and Leeds continue their leaky defense throughout the season. They conceded a shot on target every 25 minutes, which can be very fatal against Manchester City. So we are expecting some returns from Bernardo Silva, as he is the front runner for Manchester City this season. The top points providing defender, Trent, has a great platform to continue his immaculate performances with yet another favourable opponent. Trent has returned in 5 of his last 6 matches, which includes return in his last 3 affairs at home. Liverpool's first choice right back has also outscored Salah in Liverpool's last 3 home games. These matches include against Arsenal, Southampton and Aston Villa. The Reds have as well kept 9 clean sheets this season. As a defender, Trent took 10 goal attempts and also he created 18 chances, which has always been Trent's special ability. With Salah in front, he can provide return at any minute. He also faces Newcastle next, which helps FPL managers to trust him even more to put captaincy armband on him. As almost everyone will captain Salah, Trent could be a great differential captain for this match. That was all from us for this week's captaincy pick suggestion. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep an eye on us for upcoming contents. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe FPLTC on social media. We hope to see you in our next video. Till then, do take care and stay safe.